Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can crop your videos in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. Before I start, just want to make a disclaimer. This software is free. It is on PC and Mac, iOS, or whatever it is. I don't know if it works for Linux. It should. However, that is just a disclaimer I want to get out of the way. So how do you actually crop videos in, if I didn't mention it, this tutorial is going to be explaining how to crop the video. I think I already explained it. However, how you do this is by going into the edit workspace, the third one from the bottom left. And now that you're in here, this is what it'll look like when you open it up the first time in a new project. And the way you want to crop it is basically, if you want to trim the video, you can take it from the side and just manually drag it and shorten it. However, you can also use the razor blade icon and cut it into smaller pieces. And let's say I want to remove these two from the end, just cut it up with a razor blade and with a pointer select them and just manually delete them. And now that you've done that, what else you can do if you want to actually, crop the video image. As you can see, this is the video. Go onto the pointer and make sure that the transform option in the bottom left of the preview is selected, and then you can drag these points and resize the video if you would like. Now how you actually crop the video, just select the crop, and now as you can see, the video is being cropped by itself. Those are pretty much the basics. There is nothing more to explain. I covered both terms, or both ideas which the term crop could possibly cover. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.